Okay, it's puppy pick day. We get to show you guys our little Aussiedoodle puppies from Angel and Toby's litter this year. So we thought we'd start with the girls. So we've got Ellie, Zara, Claire, and who am I missing? Lex. What are you doing, silly girl? So I'm going to show each one of them to you. These should all have wavy, low shedding coats. And we'll just watch them interact with each other and with me. What are you doing, silly? Okay, well let's see. Why don't we start with Miss Lex here, who loves my sweater so much. Hi there, baby. Yes, she's a sweet girl. All right, let me give you a good look at her. She is lavender collar, female. Yes, I see her little tail. What's she doing? What's she doing? I'll let you see all her markings. So she is a red merle. What do you think, huh? What do you think? She is our smallest puppy in the litter, and she does love to cuddle. Yes, you're a sweet girl. Do you want to go play? Yeah? All right, so that's Miss Lex. Okay, next we've got Miss Zara. Hello, dear. She is yellow collar female, and I'll give you a good look at her. She is our chocolate girl. Hi, what's she doing? And as you can see, she's got a little bit of white on her chest right there. And so Miss Zara is just full of life. Yes, you are. You are a sweet girl. Yes, you are. What you think, huh? So she is our little chocolate girl. I'll give you one more look at her. What do you think? All right, you ready to go play? She's very playful too. Here you go. And who have I got here? This looks like Miss Claire. So Claire is our pink collar female. Hi, what you doing? So Claire is sweet, and she's also just a very relaxed puppy. Belly rubs are her favorite, and as you can see, she's just easygoing. Yeah, easygoing and fun. What do you think? Thank you. All right, let's show them what your markings look like. So here's Miss Claire. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? All right, Miss Claire. Down you go. Okay, Ellie, are you ready? Come here, puppy. You're showing out for us. You're showing out for us. Come here. So Miss Ellie has got a toy, and she is having a ball. Come here, bring me your pumpkin. Puppy. Come here. Ellie, come here, pup. Look, here we go. Good girl. So this is Ellie. Ellie is our light blue collar female. Hi, what you think? What you think? So she is super sweet as well, and very playful girl. Let's take a look. So she's a red merle as well. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Hey, sweet girl. All right. You did good. You did good. Yes, you did. All right, well, this is the girls. I'm gonna let you down to have fun. All right, good luck.